So now I'm going to talk about a few ways you can decorate your mochi after you've made it. And white mochi works really well as a platform for decorating your mochi. So a few things that I like to use for decorating mochi. I love using little candy eyeballs, which you can easily buy at any kind of craft store. I love using chocolate chips, and I'm also going to be melting down chocolate chips with a little bit of neutral oil, such as vegetable oil or grapeseed oil. This is going to make a nice liquid that we can dip the mochi into and make like a chocolate covered mochi, which is really delicious. Also white chocolate, just add a little bit of grapeseed oil as well and melt it down, and you can add any kind of color you want, and we're going to do some stripes on the mochi too. Now I'm going to show you a few ways to decorate your mochi using the candy eyes that I mentioned earlier. So we're going to take 2 candy eyes, use something called edible markers. These are really great because you can eat the mochi afterwards. Here we go, a little mochi face with 2 eyes. You can even put a little eyebrow here. So there are a ton of cute things you can do with the mochi. So you can also make cute things with something called candy melts, chocolate that you can use and buy at the store. So to dip mochi in chocolate, I'm going to take my mochi, I'm going to flip it upside down, pinch the bottom part, and dip it directly into that hot chocolate that I just melted. And then we're going to shake it off a little and just put it on parchment paper. And another way to use chocolate is you can actually take white chocolate and add any kind of color you want. So I'm going to add a little bit of red to make a pink color here. Take some of this and just kind of drizzle it on top. Then you can just let this cool down and it'll harden just like the other chocolate. You can also put sprinkles on after you're done. This makes a really cute party favor, or if you're going to go to a birthday party and bring something, or potluck, you can easily decorate your mochi with chocolate and sprinkles.